A fiberglass furnace rubber hose is a specialized hose designed to withstand extreme temperatures, making it suitable for environments with the high heat exposure and such as a furnace. The hose is reinforced with the fiberglass outer layer, which provide thermal insulation and durability, allowing it to the performance reliably in application involving exposure to the molten metals, hot gases, या intense heat. Key features: high temperature resistance. The fiberglass outer layer allowed the hoses to endure temperature that rubber alone could not handle. These hoses can typically withstand temperature to 500 Fahrenheit, मतलब 260 degree centigrade या higher depending on the specific design. Thermal insulation. The fiberglass insulations help keep the hose or interior relatively cool, protecting the fluids or gases inside from excessive heat. Durability. The combination of the fiberglass and rubber offer resistance to abrasions, chemicals, and environmental wear, making the hose suitable rugged industrial usage. Flexibility. Despite the being heat resistance to hose maintain flexibility, allowing easy to installations and movement around equipment in the conform the complex spaces. Resistance to flame and splatters. The fiberglass cover can be resistant to accidental flames exposure and splatters from the molten materials, reducing the risk of damage in the furnace environmentals. Common application: steel and metal foundry, ideal for high temperature transfer line.